Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook squid tubes. First, let's start with cleaning. It's a crucial step for delicious results. Begin by gently pulling out the clear, plastic-like quill from inside the tube. This is often called the pen. Next, rinse the squid tube thoroughly under cold running water, making sure to clean both the inside and outside. Finally, pat the squid completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful sear and prevents steaming when you cook it, ensuring a tender texture. Once cleaned, the next step is scoring and cutting. This technique is key for both presentation and tenderness. Using a sharp knife, lightly score the inside of the squid tube in a crosshatch pattern. Make these cuts shallow, about 1/8 of an inch deep, being careful not to cut all the way through. This scoring helps the squid cook more evenly, allows it to absorb flavors beautifully, and prevents it from curling too much. Then, cut the tubes into 1-inch wide rings or 2-inch long pieces, as desired. Now for the cooking. Squid tubes are best cooked quickly to maintain their tender texture. For pan frying, heat a skillet over high heat with a little oil. Add the squid and cook for just 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it turns opaque and curls slightly. Alternatively, you can grill the squid for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. The key is high heat and short cooking times. Overcooking will make it tough and rubbery, so keep a close eye on it for perfect results. Finally, let's talk about serving and flavor pairings. Cooked squid is incredibly versatile. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley can elevate its natural flavors beautifully. For a Mediterranean touch, toss it with sautéed garlic, a pinch of chili flakes, and a drizzle of good olive oil. It makes a fantastic appetizer, a light addition to a salad, or a delicious component in a main course alongside pasta or rice. Enjoy your perfectly cooked squid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.